Hello, hello, Team 3. This is class number 55. And I will explain what you have to do here. In the warm-up, look at the picture and answer the questions true or false. Okay? So, here you have vocabulary related to medicine, illnesses. Vamos a ver ese tipo de vocabulario. Now, in activity number 1, you're going to open your student's book at page 60. Page 60. And here you are going to read this email, yes, Ben's email, and you're going to answer the questions. Okay? So read and answer. Please write complete answers. And then in activity number 2, we have 3 sentences that appear in this letter. Okay, so let's read the sentences. Ben says, I ate too much ice cream. There were too many tourists. There weren't enough beds. People, what is the meaning of too and enough? Too means, y los voy a escribir acá, means demasiado. Okay? And enough means suficiente. Entonces, ¿cuál es la diferencia entre too much and too many? El sustantivo que voy a utilizar después. Cuando yo quiero decir que hay algo demasiado, tengo que saber si ese demasiado es contable o incontable. Es decir, countable noun or uncountable noun. So, too much is going to be followed by uncountable nouns. Okay? I ate too much food. I have a stomachache. Es decir, food, no digo one food, two foods. No. It's an uncountable noun. Entonces voy a decir too much food. Si quiero decir que comí demasiado. Too many is going to be followed by countable nouns. You can never have too many friends. Nunca puedes tener demasiados amigos. ¿Ok? Siempre hay espacio para más. Friends, you can count. ¿Sí? El lot of se va a utilizar siempre para todos. Contables e incontables. Después yo si quiero decir que tengo mucha plata o tengo muchos amigos, I have got a lot of money, a lot of friends. ¿Sí? A lot of no tiene diferencia. Ahora, too much and too many, much uncountable, many countable. And then enough, which means sufficient, okay? Voy a decir, I've eaten enough ice cream. I bought 1 kilo. Comí suficiente helado, ¿sí? Con enough no voy a hacer diferencia entre countable and uncountable. Lo voy a seguir siempre después con un sustantivo, pero no hay diferencia entre uno o el otro. So, remember, too much and too many, demasiado. And enough, suficiente. A veces puede ser que no sea suficiente o que sea suficiente. Puede estar en affirmative or negative. So you're going to open your student's book on page 61. 61. And you're going to do activity D. D. You're going to complete with too much or too many. Ahí nos vamos a fijar si es countable or not. And here on this activity F, you're going to complete with too much, too many, or enough. ¿Ok? ¿Quiero decir demasiado o quiero decir suficiente? Si quiero decir demasiado, ¿contable o incontable? And then you're going to open your student's book on page 48. On page 48. And you're going to do activity A, and B. In activity A, you're going to match. Vamos a unir las partes. ¿Ok? For example, we spent. Y si yo quiero decir money, es incontable. Too much money today. Be quiet, please. There is. ¿Y qué quiero decir si estoy pidiendo a alguien que haga silencio? ¿Qué es lo que hay demasiado? Ruido. Noise. ¿Ok? Entonces, there is too much noise in here. ¿Ok? Y así vamos uniendo. And you write the sentences here. And in activity B, you're going to complete with too much, too many, and enough, ¿ok? Pero ese enough puede ser que haga que yo tenga que poner el verbo negativo. Careful with that. Example, there were too many people, había mucha gente, demasiada, and there were not enough chairs for everybody. The test was awful. There were, había demasiadas preguntas y questions se puede contar, entonces too many questions, and there was not, no había, enough time to answer them all. Okay? So with enough, you have to put the verb in the negative. And then on page 50, you're going to do page 50, we're going to revise future. Okay? We're going to revise future. You're going to do activity C and D. In the first one in C, you're going to write 1 to 6 in the boxes. Look at the picture and write 1 to 6. ¿Sí? Ya tienen escrito que la letter C ahí en the file es sentence number 1. And in activity D, you're going to circle the correct option. Remember, will, sudden decision, prediction with no evidence, be going to, plan, intention, prediction with evidence. Okay? That's all, people. See you in our Zoom meetings. Bye-bye.